Hey everyone, good morning. I figured I'd give you guys a progress report. It has been a long time coming. This has been a lot of work. I can't tell you how much work it's been to dig these ditches. I thought just using the skid steer to break it up would be enough, but getting this ditch deep enough has been pretty brutal. The reason it's been so brutal is because if you look at the number of rocks, these are just the rocks that you see. There was rocks stacked on top of rocks, causing it really hard to dig. I found that it was actually easier to use a hoe to pull the rocks out than it is to even use a digging bar because there were so many small rocks stacked on top of each other. What I'm hoping is going to happen today is that we're going to go ahead and start laying cable in this ditch and possibly get it tied into the shipping container right here. All right, everyone. So we finished doing this whole run and getting it low enough that we're satisfied that we can get it deep enough that the water won't freeze and deep enough that we won't ever dig up the electric line. I can't stress how hard this was. It was so much work to get it all done. You can see how long it is. That's a good 100 feet worth of trenching that pretty much myself and Naomi did by hand. And this is pretty much the end of this video. I know it's really short. This is the first time using a new video editing software as well as life getting in the way. I promise that it will only get better. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good day.